Yes, dear students, welcome to Diamond Group of Institution. So myself, Mr. Shivkumar sir, I am a senior mathematics teacher in the Diamond Group of Institution, dear students. So this is the second period, dear students, second class. So previously, previous class I explained to what is the meaning of the sequence, what is the meaning of the progressions, and afterwards I explained to you the what arithmetic progressions meaning also definition also given, and how to find out the common difference. That is also we did everything I taught you. And first bit I left you because there is a very simple question, 2, 3, 4 questions are there, word problems. And the previous class I completed what? Third bit. So third bit is what? Second bit I completed, and we are going to the third bit, dear students. In this third bit, what we asked the question, for the following APs, write the first term and the common difference. Only he asked here, write for the following APs. नीचे दिए गए APs के अंदर हम क्या फाइंड आउट करना चाहिए? फर्स्ट टर्म एंड द कॉमन डिफरेंस हम फाइंड आउट करना चाहिए, dear students. Okay, so let us come to the first question. Here 4 questions are there. I will explain first question and third question. So remaining 2 questions we will do the homework, dear students. Okay, let us see the first question. Already I told you the given sequence, the list of the AP, दिए गए AP के arithmetic progressions के अंदर जो first number रहेगा, that is we call the first term, dear students. Okay, so let us see the solution. Here first term A is equal to, we got here 3, dear students. First term is 3. Now we are finding the common difference, dear students. Already we know that common difference is equal to A2 minus A1 and A3 minus A2, A4 minus A3, dear students. Okay, this is called first term. This is we call the second term. This is we call the third term. This is called the fourth term. So on is there. So first term is 3. Second term is 1. Okay. So now I am taking here second term is 1 minus 3. We got here D is equal to what, dear students? Minus 2. This is one time we find out the minus 2. Already we told find the value of write the first term and common difference in the AP. ऑलरेडी उन्होंने बताया है कि एपी के अंदर फर्स्ट टर्म और कॉमन डिफरेंस फाइंड करने के लिए बताया. सो फर्स्ट टर्म इज व्हाट, डियर स्टूडेंट्स? फर्स्ट टर्म a इज इक्वल टू 3 एंड कॉमन डिफरेंस इज इक्वल टू व्हाट, डियर स्टूडेंट्स? 2 इज देयर. आई थॉट यू अंडरस्टूड फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन वेरी वेल, डियर स्टूडेंट्स. नाउ लेट अस गो टू द व्हाट थर्ड क्वेश्चन. आई विल एक्सप्लेन थर्ड क्वेश्चन. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल I will write on the board question, dear students. Third question is what? Third question 1 upon 3, 5 upon 3, 9 upon 3, 13 upon 3, so on is there. So on. Okay, I told you previous problem also. The given AP's first term is what? First number is, we can say that is the first term. That is considered A. So here A is equal to 1 upon 3. First question is what? Write the first term. First term is 1 upon 3. Next, we are finding common difference. So D is equal to A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1. I will write this side. Common difference is equal to A2 minus A1. So now here A2 is 5 upon 3 is there, minus A1 is 1 upon 3. Now when we are doing the subtraction in the fraction के अंदर हम subtraction करने के टाइम हम ये देखना चाहिए कि डिनोमिनेटर सेम है क्या? नहीं, इधर सेम है. सेम नहीं रहे तो हम क्या करना चाहिए? एलसीएम तो निकाल के इक्वलिटी बनाना चाहिए. नहीं तो उधर 2 ही फ्रैक्शन है, ओनली हैविंग द 2 फ्रैक्शन व्हाट यू डू द मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ you do the cross multiplication. 3 5s are 15, 3 1s are 3, like that you should do it. But here denominator is same is there, that's why we should be take the commonly one denominator, that is 3. Next 5 minus 1, we got here D is equal to 4 upon 3 dear students. I thought you understood. First term is 1 upon 3 and common difference is 4 upon 3 dear students. Let us look at the one more time solution dear students. In this bit having the 4 question dear students, I explained already first question. Now we are seeing the third question because this is given in the fraction 1 upon 3, 5 upon 3, 9 upon 3, 13 upon 3, so on is there. This is the question and the first number is, that is we call the first term, and we will find out the common difference because he is asking here common difference. So common difference is equal to a2 minus a1 is there. a2 is 5 upon 3 minus a1 is 1 upon 3 is there. So denominators are same. That's why I took here only one denominator, common is 3, and the numerator we should do the subtraction. 5 minus 1 is equal to, we got here 4, 4 upon 3, means first number is 1 upon 3, common difference is 4 upon 3. I thought you understood very well dear students. So similarly, I will explain the fourth question also. Okay, you do the only one question homework. So fourth question also very easy is there. Same, similarly you do it. Similarly, so question number 4 is that is 0.6, 1.7, 2.8, and 3.89, so on is there. Okay, so on is there. So now here first number is first term. Solution dear students. First number is first term, that is a is equal to 0.6 and common difference is equal to same method, d is equal to a2 minus a1 dear students. a2 is what? 1.7 and minus 0.6 dear students. When we are doing the subtraction with the decimal, what we can do? Decimal downside only we should write the decimal. First of all we should take the decimal. Then afterwards, first number after the decimal, first number is 10th place and before number is, that is the 1st place. Now we are doing the subtraction. This 7 minus 6 is equal to 1, point place is point and 1. Answer, the common difference is equal to 1.1 dear students. I thought you understood this fourth question. A is equal to, means first term is equal to 0.6 and the common difference is equal to what dear students? 1.1. I thought you understood very well. So like that only you can find out do the second question also. In this bit having the fourth question, I explained to you first question, third question and fourth question I explained. Only one question I left for number dear students, that is you do properly. I thought you understood, you will do. Okay, now we will go to the beat number 4 question. We will go to the fourth beat. Let us see and let us discuss about the fourth beat. Okay, yes dear students, come to the fourth beat. What is the fourth beat? Which of the following of APC? क्वेश्चन अभी मैंने थोड़ा कम लिखा हूं, उसका बीट में क्या है बोले तो विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग ऑफ द एपीसी, ये नीचे दिए गए हुए मिनिमम 10 क्वेश्चंस के ऊपर है डियर स्टूडेंट्स. वो आप मैंने इधर 5 क्वेश्चंस लिखा हूं. ये 5 क्वेश्चंस के अंदर कौन सा जो एपी है वो एपी रहे तो आगे का नेक्स्ट 3 टर्म्स लिखने के लिए बताया. ऑलरेडी ये गिवन term 1, term 2, term 3, term 4 given. Remaining 3 terms में term 5, term 6, term 7 you should be find out. Okay, क्वेश्चन का मीनिंग क्या है बोले तो नीचे दिए गए सीक्वेंस के अंदर कौन सा जो एपी में है, एपी में रहे तो उसका फर्स्ट टर्म एंड कॉमन डिफरेंस फाइंड करो. करने के बाद आगे का जो नेक्स्ट 3 टर्म फाइंड आउट करने के लिए बताया डियर स्टूडेंट्स. ओके, नाउ इन दिस 5 क्वेश्चन टुडे आई विल एक्सप्लेन द ओनली 2 क्वेश्चंस. So remaining 3 questions we will do the homework dear student. Okay, come to the first question. So here solution is that I inform to you ये AP में है या नहीं है, ये पता करने के लिए हमको क्या करना पड़ता, दिए गए टर्म्स का जो बिटवीन का जो कॉमन डिफरेंस है वो सेम है क्या नहीं वो चेक करना चाहिए. इसके लिए द D is equal to what? A2 minus A1. So A2 is what? 4 is there. 4 minus 2 is equal to, we got here 2. So let us see once again. A3 minus A2. A2 minus A1. We got here 2. Let us see here. A3 minus A2. A3 is 8 is there. 8 minus 4 is equal to, we got here 4, dear students. Common difference is 4. That's why we can say what A1, A2 minus A1 is not equal to A3 minus A2. Therefore, this is not in the form of the AP. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन आप समझ लिए बोल के मैं समझ लेता हूं डियर स्टूडेंट्स. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन क्या दिया 2, 4, 8, 16 so on given. So क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग ऑफ एपीज. कौन सा इसमें नीचे दिए क्वेश्चन में कौन सा एपी में है. एपी में रहे तो उसका फर्स्ट टर्म फाइंड करो और कॉमन डिफरेंस फाइंड करो. करके क्या करो आगे का 3 टर्म्स फाइंड करो बोल के बताया गया है. इसके लिए हमने फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन लिए थे. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन के अंदर जब कॉमन डिफरेंस सेम रहे तो एपी में रहे तो क्या रहेगा कॉमन डिफरेंस सेम रहेगा. इसके लिए कॉमन डिफरेंस फाइंड करना चाहिए. कॉमन डिफरेंस A2 minus A1 we got here first 2 terms between difference is 2 and third and second term between difference is what that is 4. That's why A2 minus A1 is not equal to A3 minus A2. That's why we can say the first question is not in the form of the AP. dear students दिए गए फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन AP के फॉर्म में नहीं है. Let us go to the second question dear students. Second question is like that is there. So I will explain the second question. Second question, question number 2. Here 2 is there and 5 upon 2 and comma 3 is there and 7 upon 2 so on. Okay. First we will find out the common difference. Solution dear students. Here T is equal to A2 minus A1. A2 is 5 upon 2 minus A1 is 2 upon 1 dear students. 2 upon 1. Now 1 into 5 is equal to 5 dear students. 2 2s are 4 upon 2 1s are 2. Next 1 5 is 5. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. Answer we got here 1 upon 2 dear students. Common difference is 1 upon 2. Let us see once again here A3 minus A2. Okay, A3 minus A2. A3 is 3 and A2 is 5 upon 2. Denominator 1. 2 3s are 6 minus 1 5 is 5 upon 2 1s are 2. Here also we got 1 upon 2 dear students. Means common difference is term 2 and term 1 between 1 upon 2 is there. Term 3 and term 2 also common difference is same is there dear students. That's why what you do we will go to the next question. What is that? You can say yes the given sequence is in the form of the AP. This is yes we can write here yes the given sequence is in the form of the AP. AP में रहे तो आगे का next 2 terms लिखना चाहिए. So आगे का 3 terms लिखना चाहिए. Already we know that first term, second term, third term, fourth term. We will find out the fifth term. Means a fifth term is equal to we written as a plus 4d. A plus 4d. This is the condition. A plus 4d. Here already we know that a value is 2. A value is 2 and plus 4. Common difference is 1 upon 2 dear students. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Means answer came here. Answer is here 2 plus 2 1s are 2. We got here answer 4. Understanding? So a fifth term is what? A plus 4d means 2 a value is 2 plus 4 is there. Common difference is 1 upon 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Means 2 as it is 2 1s are 2. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4 dear students. Similarly, we should be find out the sixth term. A sixth term is equal to a plus 5d dear students. So here next is a is 2 and plus 5 in the bracket 1 upon 2. We got here 2 and plus 5 is 5 upon 2. Answer is 2 2s are 4 plus 5 upon 2 1s are 2. We got here answer 9 upon 2 dear students. Okay, so now here fifth term we got here 4 and sixth term we got here 9 upon 2 dear students. Similarly, we should find out the seventh term. So seventh term A7 is equal to what a plus 6b, a plus 6d, here 2 plus 6 into 1 upon 2 dear students, 1 upon 2, 2 ones are 2, 3 is a answer we got 2 plus 3 is equal to what 5 dear students. I thought you understood very well. और एक बार एक्सप्लेनेशन करूंगा. इसमें क्वेश्चन क्या है? So what is the beat saying? Which of the following of APs? Which of the following of AP? नीचे दिए गए लिस्ट के अंदर कौन सा जो AP के अंदर है, AP के अंदर रहे तो उसको हम क्या करना चाहिए? फर्स्ट टर्म और कॉमन डिफरेंस फाइंड करना चाहिए और आगे का जो 3 टर्म्स हम फाइंड करना बोल के बताया. वन मोर टाइम एक्सप्रेशन डियर स्टूडेंट्स. हियर 2 5 upon 2 comma 3 7 upon 2 so on is there. So this is given in the sequence. This list is in the form of the AP is there or not. ये AP में है या नहीं है बोल के पता करना चाहिए. तो D is equal to A2 minus A1. A2 is 5 upon 2 minus A1 is 2 upon 1 is there. Cross multiplication. 1 into 5 is equal to 5. Plus into minus is equal to minus. 2 to the 4. 2 1 is 2. Now 5 minus 4 is equal to 1 upon 2 dear student. Again 2 terms check it. So A3 minus A2 इसके अंदर भी चेक करना चाहिए. So 3 upon 1 minus 5 upon 2 is there. Cross multiplication. 2 3 is a 6. Plus into minus minus 2 5 1 5 is a 5. 2 1 is a 2. 6 minus 5 is equal to we got answer here 1 upon 2 dear students. Means the here first second term and first term between difference is same is there and third term second term between the difference is same. ये तीनों की टर्म्स में हम चेक करें तो कॉमन डिफरेंस सेम है. इसके लिए हम यस बोल के लिखें. द गिवन लिस्ट इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ द AP dear students. Then what is the next question? Suppose it is in the AP, it is in the form of the AP. Find out the next 3 terms. All the first term, second term, third term, fourth term. We know that. Now we are finding out in the fifth term, dear students. So fifth term is equal to A5 is equal to A plus 4D. A value is already know that is 2 plus and 4 is there in the sequence. A condition में 4 है. 4 लिखे. Common difference is 1 upon 2 is there. 2 under 2, 2 to the 4. So 2 as it is plus as it is 2 under 2. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4 dear students. Means fifth term is equal to 4 is there. Now we are finding the sixth term. Dear students, sixth term is equal to A plus 5D is there. 5D is there. So A value is 2 plus 5 as it is in the bracket 1 upon 2. Both are not a cancel. That's why you should do the multiplication. 2 as it is came plus 5 is a 5. 5 upon 2 is there. Now cross multiplication. 2 to the 4. 1 5 is a 5. 2 1 is a 2. That's why 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. 9 upon 2 is the sixth term, dear students. So similarly, seventh question is what? Seventh term is what? A plus 6D. A value is 2 plus 6 as it is 1 upon 2. 2 1 is 2. 2 3 is 6. This 2 as it is plus as it is 3 1 is 3. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Means first term is 2, second term is 5 upon 2, third term is 3, fourth term is 7 upon 2, fifth term is 4, sixth term is 9 upon 2, seventh term is 5. So I did like that, dear students. This is the method of the find out in the next 3 terms, dear students. Okay, now I explained to you first question and second question. Afterwards, today's class I will explain the fifth one question, dear students. Remaining questions will do the homework, dear students. Okay, first question explain, second question explain, third, and afterwards I will explain the fifth question, dear students. Okay, let us see the fifth question. Yes, dear students, come to the fifth question. Already I explained the first question and second question. I thought you understood very well. Similarly, follow the method in the fifth question also. Why I am explaining the fifth question means here he is given the in the form of the search. इसमें irrational number दिया गया है, उसको हम search भी बोलते हैं. इस साल का जो सिलेबस के अंदर जो सीबीएसई एनसीईआरटी सिलेबस है उसके अंदर सर्च जो चैप्टर निकल चुका है, जो प्रीवियसली स्टेट सिलेबस था उसके अंदर सर्च बोल के एक चैप्टर था, रैशनलाइजिंग द डिनोमिनेटर बोल के ऐसा आता था. वो बड़ा चैप्टर था, एक चैप्टर था 3 मार्क्स के या 4 मार्क्स के लिए वेटेज था वो चैप्टर. बट ये ऐसा क्वेश्चन आए तो आप क्या करना चाहिए, उसको भी ध्यान से सुन के उसी ऐसे क्वेश्चन और नेक्स्ट आए तो कहाँ भी आए तो सॉल्यूशन करने के लिए इजी हो जाएगा. The rational number, this number is considered x. आप क्या कर लेना, उसको एक वेरिएबल बोल के समझ लेके आप क्या करना चाहिए डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आगे का करना चाहिए. ओके, नाउ फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हाट इज द क्वेश्चन. कम टू द क्वेश्चन बीट. व्हाट ही टोल्ड, व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग ऑफ एपी. ये फर्स्ट चेक करो, ये एपी के अंदर है या नहीं है, ये चेक करो. एपी के अंदर है क्या नहीं चेक करने के लिए हमको क्या करना पड़ता, कॉमन डिफरेंस फाइंड आउट करना पड़ता। जब कॉमन डिफरेंस सेम रहे तो हम क्या कर सकते, द गिवन लिस्ट इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ द एपी, एपी में है, एपी में रहे तो हम क्या करना चाहिए, नेक्स्ट आगे का 3 टर्म्स क्या करना चाहिए, हम फाइंड आउट करना चाहिए। दैट इज द क्वेश्चन। Come to the dear students, let us see common difference is same is there or not. Okay, so D is equal to A2 minus A1. I thought you are understanding. थोड़ा छोटा छोटा हैंडराइटिंग हुआ तो भी थोड़ा ध्यान से देखिए, साउंड क्लियर नहीं आए तो हेडफोन लगा के सुनिए, क्योंकि एक एक वर्ड भी क्या रहता है वो इंपॉर्टेंट रहता है डियर स्टूडेंट्स। ओके, नाउ हियर A2 is there, A2 means that is 3 plus under root of 2 dear students and minus 3. Okay, this is the whole is second term, this is the first term, plus 3 minus 3 both are get cancelled. Answer we got here under root of 2 dear students. Okay, root of 2. So let us see again one, A3 minus A2, first term second term minus first term, third term minus second term. फर्स्ट ऐसा क्वेश्चन पूछे तो फर्स्ट 2 टर्म्स का बिटवीन का डिफरेंस फाइंड करके आप ये डिसाइड नहीं करना चाहिए कि वो एपी में है, क्या करना चाहिए, A2 माइनस A1, A3 माइनस A2, ये दोनों फाइंड करना चाहिए। ओके, नाउ A3 इज व्हाट, A3 इज 3 plus 2 under root of 2 dear students and minus here this is 3 plus under root of 2 dear students. Okay, now look at subtraction is there here, 3 plus 2 under root of 2 minus into plus minus 3 minus into plus minus under root of 2. Now plus 3 minus 3 both are get cancelled. This is the variable, a variable है 2x minus x. Answer we got here, answer we got only under root of 2 dear students. Answer we got under root of 2. Here look at common difference, here also came same, there also came same, common difference both side is what, under root of 2 only. That's why we can say dear student, yes it is given in the form of the AP. ये दिए गए लिस्ट क्या है, AP के फॉर्म में है बोल के हम लिख सकते हैं। जब AP के फॉर्म में रहे तो हम क्या करना चाहिए, आगे का 3 टर्म्स फाइंड आउट करना चाहिए, already first term, second term, third term and fourth term. Now we will find out the 5th term. A 5th term is equal to A plus 4D dear students, A plus 4D. Now A value is already 3 is there, plus 4 and the common difference is under root of 2 dear students. Answer is what, 3 plus 4 under root of 2 dear students. This is the 5th term. I thought you understood. A plus 4D, common difference is under root of 4. 4 into 2 is equal to 4 under root of 2. The term is equal to A plus 5D dear students. A value is what, 3 is there and plus 5 in the bracket under root of 2 dear students. We got here 3 plus what, 5 under root of 2. This is the what, this is the 5th term, 6th term dear students. Similarly we should be find out the what, 7th term. Next 3 term here asked no. Condition is what, A plus 6D is equal to 3 plus 6 into under root of 2 dear students. We got here 3 plus 6 under root of 2. I thought you understood very well. Okay, condition is what, now first term is 3 plus under root of 2, 3 plus 2 under root of 2, 3 plus 3 under root of 2, 3 plus 4 under root of 2, 3 plus 5 under root of 2, 3 plus 6 under root of 2 dear students. I thought you understood very well dear students. We got here, this is the 5th term, this is the 6th term, this is the 7th term. Next 3 terms are these 3 dear students. आगे का जो 3 terms है ये तीनों भी है. Okay, but once again let us see the question one more time expression dear students today's class. So what is the question? So what is the question? Beat what is the beat? Beat is saying which of the followings of AP. नीचे दिए गए लिस्ट के अंदर जो कौन सा जो AP में है बोल के पूछ रहा है. सपोज AP में रहे तो आप क्या करना चाहिए, आगे का 3 टर्म्स फाइंड आउट करना चाहिए बोल के बता रहा है, क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा है। इसके लिए इस 5th क्वेश्चन के अंदर ये एपी के अंदर है या नहीं है चेक करने के लिए हमको क्या करना चाहिए, हम कॉमन डिफरेंस फाइंड आउट करना चाहिए। जब कॉमन डिफरेंस सेम रहेगा हम क्या बोल सकते हैं, वो दिए गए लिस्ट एपी के फॉर्म में है बोल के हम बता सकते हैं। इसके लिए हमने फर्स्ट कॉमन डिफरेंस फाइंड आउट करने के लिए सॉल्यूशन में फर्स्ट कॉमन डिफरेंस फाइंड आउट करें। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, b is equal to a2 minus a1, टर्म 2 minus टर्म 1। जो कॉमा आता ना, कॉमा क्या करता है, टर्म को सेपरेट करता है। So a2 means 3 plus under root of 2 minus as it is a1 is 3 is there, plus 3 minus 3 both are get cancelled, remaining is what, under root of 2 dear students। So similarly again one step to check it, a3 minus a2, a3 is what, 3 plus 2 under root of 2 minus is there, this is the binomial, I told you this is a variable, monomial, binomial, that is considered binomial, this binomial is inside। when we are doing the subtraction, second term it will be change the sign क्या होता है, change होता है। a पूरा मैंने वैसे ही लिखा, minus into plus is equal to minus into plus is equal to minus dear students। okay, now plus 3 minus 3 both are get cancelled dear students। this is the 2x, this is the x, answer is only x। this under root of 2 is considered x dear students। 2x के अंदर 1x चले गए, बचा कितना, खाली x। means common difference here also under root of 2 came, here also under root of 2 came, means we can say the given list is in the form of the AP, AP के फॉर्म में बोल के हम पता कर चुके थे स्टूडेंट। क्वेश्चन में क्या है, जब AP में रहे तो आगे का नेक्स्ट 3 टर्म्स फाइंड करो, कॉमन डिफरेंस और फर्स्ट टर्म भी लिखो बोल के बताया। हमको पता है फर्स्ट नंबर इज first term and common difference already we find out it। next 3 terms are already given, first term, second term, third term, fourth term is given, we are finding what, 5th term। the 5th term is what, condition is a plus 4b is equal to, first term is 3 is there and 4 as it is, common difference is under root of 2। now 3 as it is, 4 under root of 3 is 3, 4 under root of 2 is as it is। सर ये दोनों को सम करना, 7 under root of 2 लिखना नहीं होता है, दिस इज द कांस्टेंट नंबर, दिस इज द वेरिएबल, वी कांट डू द सम। ओके, हम सम नहीं कर सकते। सो सिमिलरली 6th term means a plus 5b, a value is 3 and 5 फॉर्म में b is under root of 2, आंसर के 3 plus 5 under root of 2। Similarly, 7th term a plus 6b, a value is 3 plus 6 into under root of 2 is equal to 3 plus 6 under root of 2 dear students। I thought you understood this is very well। first term is 3, second term is 3 plus under root of 2 and third term is 3 plus 2 under root of 2, fourth term is 3 plus 3 under root of 2, fifth term is 3 plus 4 under root of 2 and sixth term is 3 plus 5 under root of 2 and seventh term is 3 plus 6 under root of 2। so I thought today you understood the previous bit also, and this bit I explained to the 5 questions dear students। in the 5 question I given for two questions I given for the homework, third and fourth question you will do the homework dear students। so remaining questions like as only follow the method one by one, you do it the solution dear students। this is the second class we completed very well, and remaining questions are there, so many questions are there in this bit। so those questions let us see the next class dear students। I thought you understood, प्रैक्टिस करते जाइए, फॉलो अप करते जाइए। सजेशन जो नीचे सजेशन देते हो, कमेंट देते हो, देने से बेहतर ये है कि आप कम्युनिकेशन में रहना चाहिए। कॉल करके पूछा जा सकता है, सर ये क्वेश्चन हमको समझ में नहीं आया। आप जो उसमें जो कमेंट करते हो, करने के टाइम में हम कभी देखते हैं कभी नहीं देखते, हमको टाइम रहे तो हम देखते हैं, हमको टाइम रहे तो नहीं देखते। इसके लिए आप सर ये क्वेश्चन हमको समझ में नहीं आया बोल के हम कॉल करके बता सकते हैं। आपको ऑलरेडी नंबर दिया गया है, फिर भी ले लो 99023502350835। दिस इज द माय नंबर, यू कॉल टू मी, आई गिवन द टाइम आल्सो, टाइम दिया गया है, उस टाइम में हम आपको क्या कीजिए, हमको कॉल कीजिए, कॉल करके ये नंबर को कॉल करके आप कौन सा भी क्वेश्चन रहे तो उसको सॉल्यूशन पूछ सकते हैं डियर स्टूडेंट्स। नंबर इज 9902350835, इसको नंबर को कॉल करके आप डाउट पूछ सकते हैं डियर स्टूडेंट्स। ओके, आई थॉट यू अंडरस्टूड टुडे क्लास। टुडे यू विल गिव टू मी परमिशन, आप परमिशन दीजिए, आज का क्लास यहाँ ही समाप्त करेंगे। सो आगे का थर्ड क्लास जो नेक्स्ट जो थर्ड पीरियड है, थर्ड पीरियड के अंदर आगे का जो टॉपिक है, आगे का जो प्रॉब्लम है वो सॉल्यूशन करते जाइए। आज मुझे यहाँ इजाजत दीजिए डियर स्टूडेंट्स, मैं आज का क्लास आई विल स्टॉप हियर ओनली। ओके, थैंक यू डियर स्टूडेंट, थैंक यू वन एंड ऑल।